Hello everyone. So my dear friend, we have a vacancy on Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited. So let me discuss the entire, you can say that the notifications. So in the various discipline like chemical, environmental engineering, electrical, instrumentation, civil, mechanical, in these particular branches, the vacancies are basically released, right? So first let me discuss about the officer finance, in which the total number of vacancies are basically 10. And the essential qualification, if you have completed the CA or CMA, you are eligible for it, right? So you can feel CA or CMA is basically eligible for it, right? Okay. Now if we'll move into the next. Okay. Okay. So just after that, if I will discuss about the next one. Okay. So next one is called the management trainee boiler, right? In which the 5 number of vacancies are basically there. For the general, there will be the no vacancy. For the SC2, ST2, and 1 vacancy for the EWS. And if you have completed the 4 years degree in the chemical or petrochemical or mechanical or instrumentation or electrical discipline, then you are eligible for this particular vacancies, right? Just after that, my dear friend, there will be the one another vacancy, that is called management trainee marketing, also having the 3 vacancy, and that vacancy is a backlog vacancy. Backlog means earlier the vacancy was released but not fulfilled, so due to that this vacancy are basically released right now. So for the ST1 and for the OBC and CL2 vacancies are there. And essential qualification for this one is you should completed your engineering in agri or agriculture graduate, then you are eligible for it, right? If you have completed the MBA into the agriculture, business management, agriculture, then you are eligible for it. Apart from this, there will be some vacancies are related to management trainee chemical. So management trainee chemical, there are total 11 vacancies, 5 for the general, SC for 1, ST for 1, 3 for the OBC and CL, and 1 for the EWS. Essential qualification, if you have completed the 4 years graduation or BTech B in chemical engineering, then you are eligible for it. And petrochemical, then also eligible for it. Petrochemical technology, then also eligible for it, right? Apart from this, if you have completed 3 years regular and full-time BE, BTech engineering graduate in chemical, then also eligible for it. So they have given some other parameter also for this, right? For mechanical also the 2 vacancies are there. Apart from this, if for the environmental 1 vacancies are basically there, 1 vacancy is basically there. For the management trainee electrical, total number of vacancies, if you'll follow, then we can say that okay, total number of 3 vacancies are there. 1 for the general, 1 for the SC, and 1 for the OBS, right? So electrical engineers are basically eligible for it. Electrical and power engineers, and apart from this, okay, these are the basically eligible for it, right? Okay. Apart from this, management training instrumentation, also 3 vacancies are basically there. Out of these 3, 2 for the general and 1 for the OBC and CL. So again, if you have completed your BTech into the instrumentation engineering, you are eligible for it. Instrumentation and technology, you are eligible of it. Instrumentation and control engineering, you are eligible for it. And one thing more I want to tell you, this is not through gate examination, all right? So let me discuss the complete information also for this. For the civil, total number of 5 vacancies are basically there. For the safety, 1 vacancies are basically there. 1 vacancy is there, right? Management money material, total there are 19 vacancies, right? Industrial engineering, 1 vacancies are basically there. 1 vacancy is there. So apart from this, there is the several for the safety officer secretarial, E1 and E2, 8 vacancies are basically. So in the various department, they have released the vacancy, right? Now let me discuss about the process. What should be the process happen, right? Okay. Application fee 1000 is basically mentioned, that is application fee. And now selection process. So everyone, just selection process. The selection process for the position of management trainee officer comprises of online test and personal interview. So this is not through the gate examination. They are taking their own exam, after that followed by the interview, and then the people are basically going to be shortlisted for it. So the eligible candidate will be required to appear for the computer-based online objective type test, information for which will be provided in the admit card. For the position of management trainee officer, online test conducted on the center, Bhopal centers mentioned where the exam is going to be happened, and just after that there will be the interview. So if you have qualified the written exam, then only you are eligible for the interview. So if you are feeling that yes, if you are willing to go into the PSUs, then for the electrical student, for the chemical student, for the environmental student, for the mechanical and civil, this is a good opportunity. So if you have not performed well into the GATE examination, then again you have one choices, right? You will go into the PSU also by writing their own examination. Still, if you guys required any of the information, do let me know into the comment box. Till that, thank you very much. All the very best. Jai Hind, dosto.